into the gym. You walked over to the squat rack, you got ready to approach it and go at it. And then suddenly you're kind of like, you know what? I think I'll go back to the safety of the elliptical. You are not alone. Sometimes the biggest barrier to fitness isn't laziness, it's just not knowing what to do or being afraid to do it or feeling like a complete imposter when you get in the gym. Okay, we live in a world where everyone is obsessed with hacks and extreme transformations. But here's the truth: you cannot build a skyscraper on a swamp. If you don't have the mechanics and the basics and the foundation, you're just inviting in that injury, that frustration, that fear. Okay, so that's why I built Fit Foundations. This is not just another workout playlist or a random challenge. I created a curriculum. We are stripping everything back and laying that solid foundation, thinking about protecting the core, the pelvic floor, and allowing you to create this good focus. Things like form over intensity, because doing things right is going to be doing it hard every single time. You should never crawl out of the gym in a ton of pain, but you should feel pretty good about yourself and more confident. We're looking for that consistency over perfection. It's designed to fit in your life, not make your life revolve around the gym. Okay. And then again, that confidence I mentioned. By the end, you won't be wondering if you're doing it right because you'll actually know. You'll be in tune with the body. You'll have that foundation and you'll know that it's working. Okay. So, this is for the person who is ready to stop all the guessing and start training. Whether you're coming back from just having your baby, or maybe you just need a refresh. Maybe you're years down the road and it's time for you. This is the blueprint that makes everything else, lifting heavier, running faster, moving better, actually possible. So, cleaning up after your kids is easier, cleaning the house is easier, and running if you want. Okay. So if you're tired of the workout anxiety and you want a proven roadmap, check out the link in the description and join Fit Foundations today. Let's get your foundation sorted so you can actually enjoy the work, and I'll see you there.